Hi everyone, I'm Steph and I'm going to learn you how you can create a Mailchimp subscription with the web form for Drupal 8. So we have this piece of code, you can download it from my GitHub page, and we need three variables to fill in. It's the Mailchimp API key, a list ID, and a server location. So we have created a free account. We go to account, and in the extra settings, we can click API keys. I already created one for me. You can see it here. Just click the button, create a key, give it a label, and copy it. You can just paste it right there. So next thing we need is a list ID. The list ID, you can find it under audience. In a free Mailchimp account, you only have one audience, so it's pretty quick to find it. Go to settings, and there you have the audience name and defaults. So there you can see the audience ID. Just copy paste the value, so Mailchimp knows to which list it has to be added. We copy paste it there. Next we need a server location. That is the last part of the string Mailchimp API key, just the last digits like US4, US20, whatever. It's just some typically Mailchimp thing. It's needed for the location of the list in which we do a curl call. So this is a web form handler. It's something we need to add to our web form. So if you have downloaded the code at GitHub, just enable the module. So right here I have the code. We install the module, and this will add a web form handler. A web form handler is something you can add between the submission in the database and the entry actually. So after the entry is validated, we can do something extra. I built a form. It has just a first underscore name, a last underscore name text field, and one email field, e_mail. Just create the same web form, and then go to settings, emails, handlers, and here we can click add handler, and here we will see our Mailchimp newsletter subscription form handler. Just click add handler, and right now every submission, just save it. Right now every submission will pass through that class. So if we go to the form, let's have a look at our form here. It's just this really quick and easy web form. Let's fill in an email address, test@stefanlover.me, with some first name and last name. It's not really that's important. So all right, I've added some values. I submit it, and then if I get a green notice, you are now successfully subscribed, and that is exactly what we need. So refresh. Yeah, we have one subscriber where you can see I already had some tests in there. So all right, and here we see a subscribed user with an email address, first and last name, and the source is the Drupal API site. We can add extra fields if we want, just mess around a bit in code or in the Mailchimp fields if you know that. So yeah, this is basically it. If I would do this again, so if I would add, what happens if someone adds their email address twice, we would get a notice that this user is already subscribed. So yeah, let's refresh this one, then add ourselves again, and submit. Now we get this notice, you are already subscribed to this mailing list. So this is exactly what we need. So this is it. You can download the code at my GitHub or at my blog. Have a look at all my snippets and codes. It's of course free to use. Follow me on Twitter and let me know how you feel about it. Bye.